define the term microscope. What is microscope and what is microscopy? आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Microscope is an hello.
Yes.
Microscope is an instrument to see objects that are too small, which cannot be seen by naked eye.
Yes. You are right. You are correct, Silpa. You know that there are many very small microorganisms. Okay? Microorganisms or even the fine structure of cell. You cannot see there are some cellular structures like the cell, like the microorganism, bacteria, mycoplasma, rickettsia, and even the living cells and the details of and the structure present inside the cell, like chromosome, and these structures cannot be cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and such objects are not within the resolution of the human eyes. Human eye cannot visualize the finest detail of the structure of the cell and the microorganisms, and such objects and such biological structures can only be seen with the help of microscope. And you know that it was Robert Hooke. It was Robert Hooke who for the first time developed his own compound microscope in 1664-65. Yes, and he was the first man to discover the dead cell. The cells the plant cells found in the bark of the plant. So the history of the compound microscope dates back to the Robert Hooke, who for the first time developed his own compound microscope. So microscopes are of various types. Light microscopes are very common. You know that all the microscope you see in the laboratories are the simple microscope, dissecting microscope, and compound microscope. You have never seen the electron microscope. Electron microscopes are very costly, and electron microscopes are generally used by the PG departments. And one of the electron microscope is present in the Science College, Patna University. Electron microscope. So electron microscope is different. Electron microscope is better than the compound microscope in some respect, but you know that the resolving power, but the magnification of the electron microscope is much higher in comparison to the magnifying capacity of the light microscope, or that is the compound microscope. Okay? So in your syllabus you have to study 3 types of microscope. Scanning electron microscope, that is the same, transmission electron microscope, and fluorescence microscope. And these 3 topics are very important for the short notes. You may be asked to write short notes on the TEM, transmission electron microscope. You may be asked to write short notes on the SEM or fluorescence microscopy. So just Silpa has tried her best to define the term microscope and microscopy. So you are right, microscopes are the tools which are used to visualize, to observe the very small structure which cannot be seen with the help of naked eyes, and to observe their structure we use the microscope. And this phenomenon of